In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Citizens Bank mobile app, a step-by-step installation guide that will make this process easy and straightforward for you, whether you're using an iOS or Android device. Having the Citizens Bank app on your mobile device can streamline your banking experience, allowing you to manage accounts, transfer funds, and even deposit checks on the go. So, let's get started. First, locate and open the App Store on your mobile device. If you're using an iPhone or any iOS device, that means heading over to the App Store, which often looks like a blue icon featuring a white A. On the other hand, if you're an Android user, you'll want to open the Google Play Store, which is usually a colorful triangle icon. A little reminder here. Ensure your device is connected to Wi-Fi or a stable internet connection, so the download and installation process goes smoothly without any interruptions. Once you've opened your preferred app store, focus on the search box, usually located at the top of the screen. This is where you'll type in Citizens Bank app. As you begin typing, you might see some autocomplete suggestions pop up. Make sure you select the official Citizens Bank app from the list of search results. This official app is published by Citizens Bank, and you can ensure it's the correct one by checking user reviews and ratings that typically sit alongside the app's name. A quick tip: always be on the lookout for the official bank logo, which can help confirm you're downloading the legitimate application. With the app identified, it's time to add it to your device with a simple click of the Install button. On iOS devices, the button might read Get, but don't worry, it performs the same function. Once clicked, the installation process will begin. Depending on your internet speed, this process can vary in length, but generally, it shouldn't take more than a couple of minutes. During this time, you can continue browsing the store or other apps, as modern devices handle these tasks efficiently in the background. Once the download is complete, you'll notice the app icon appear on your device's home screen. It's now ready for you to open and set up, allowing you to dive right into managing your banking needs. And there you have it. You're all set up with the Citizens Bank mobile app. Remember, having the app means more than just convenience. It's about having secure and immediate access to your accounts whenever you need it. Thanks for following along with me today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more informative videos. Happy banking, and see you next time.